So let's talk about lymphatic drainage of pelvic viscera. Okay. So in this color is representing the corresponding lymph nodes. Okay. So we are going to start this discussion. So in female, this is female pelvis, and in this is male pelvis. Okay. So in female pelvis, superior bladder, this yellow color, you can see is draining into external iliac lymph nodes, and superior pelvic ureter, upper vagina also drains into external iliac lymph nodes, upper vagina and cervix. You can see the yellow color, okay? And lower body of uterus is also draining into external iliac lymph nodes, okay? And what are the structures draining into internal iliac lymph nodes? Base of bladder, you can see this green color, inferior pelvic ureter, anal canal, that is above pectinate line, and inferior rectum, and middle and upper vagina. You can see the green color, middle and upper vagina is draining into internal iliac lymph nodes, okay? And body of uterus, okay? Some part of body of uterus is also draining into internal iliac lymph node. So what are the structures draining into internal iliac lymph node? Base of bladder, inferior pelvic ureter, anal canal above pectinate line, inferior rectum, middle and upper vagina, and body of uterus as well, okay? So these drains into internal iliac lymph node, okay? And these external and iliac lymph nodes, where it goes to common iliac lymph nodes, okay? Similarly, come to this picture. In male, you can see the prostatic urethra, this green color, follow this green color, this prostatic urethra, prostate, base of bladder, okay? Inferior pelvic ureter, inferior seminal glands, okay? And cavernous bodies, and anal canal above pectinate line, and inferior rectum is draining into internal iliac lymph nodes. This green color drains into internal iliac lymph nodes, okay? And this yellow color, you can see here, this yellow color is draining into external iliac lymph nodes. So superior bladder, you can see here, superior bladder in yellow color, superior pelvic ureter, upper seminal gland, okay? Pelvic part of ductus deferens, it is not shown here, and intermediate and spongy urethra, you can see here in this yellow color, okay? Intermediate and spongy urethra also drains into internal iliac lymph nodes. Intermediate and spongy urethra drains into external iliac lymph nodes, because this yellow color is external iliac lymph nodes, okay? Got it? Okay. So now come to lumbar lymph nodes. So lumbar lymph node is demonstrated by this sky blue color, okay? So what are the structures draining into lumbar lymph nodes? You can see here, in female, along ovarian vessels, these lymph channels drain, okay, along ovarian vessels, okay? So what are the structures draining? Ovary, uterine tube, you can see here, ovary, uterine tube, except isthmus and intrauterine parts. So except isthmus and intrauterine part, uterine tube, except isthmus and intrauterine part, and some part of fundus of uterus. Fundus of uterus is also draining into lumbar lymph node, okay? And in male, along testicular vessels, these lymphatics drains testis. So it drains testis, epididymis, okay? Testis, epididymis to lumbar lymph nodes. And regarding inferior mesenteric, this is red color, inferior mesenteric lymph nodes, this drains superior most rectum. You can see here, superior most rectum, this is superior most rectum, okay? And sigmoid colon and descending colon, and also pararectal nodes. Pararectal nodes drain into inferior mesenteric lymph nodes, okay? And in internal iliac lymph nodes, this green color drains inferior pelvic structures, deep perineal, structures, sacral nodes, okay, and external iliac lymph node drains antero superior pelvic structures, and deep inguinal nodes, okay, deep inguinal nodes and external iliac structures. Now we are going to talk about superficial inguinal lymph nodes. So what are the structures that is drained to superficial inguinal lymph nodes? From lower limb, superficial drainage of inferolateral quadrant of trunk, okay, inferolateral quadrant of trunk including anterior abdominal wall, inferior to umbilicus, gluteal region, and superficial perineal structures, okay. So these are drained to superficial inguinal lymph nodes. And in this picture you can see in female pelvis superolateral uterus near attachment of round ligament. So you can follow this color, this is pinkish color, okay. Yes, superficial inguinal lymph nodes. So superolateral uterus, you can see here superolateral uterus near attachment of round ligament, you can see here round ligament, okay. And skin of perineum including uvula, skin of perineum including vulva, okay. And ostium of vagina inferior to hymen, ostium of vagina inferior to hymen, and prepuce of clitoris, okay, prepuce of clitoris. Here it is not shown clearly, okay. So you can remember those things. You already know what are the structures drained to superficial inguinal nodes. You know that in the structures that are in perineum, okay, those drain to superficial inguinal lymph nodes except glans penis, glans clitoris, because they drain to deep inguinal lymph nodes, okay. And also remember distal spongy urethra and glans penis drain to deep inguinal nodes. Other than almost all structures in perineum drain to superficial inguinal lymph node because these are superficial structures, okay. So superolateral uterus near attachment of round ligament, skin of perineum including vulva, ostium of vagina inferior to hymen, prepuce of clitoris, perianal skin, anal canal inferior to pectinate line, okay, anal canal inferior to pectinate line, and above that pectinate line anal canal drains into this green color, follow this green color, internal iliac lymph nodes, okay. And in male pelvis you can see here what are the structures draining to superficial inguinal lymph node. Superficial inguinal lymph nodes, skin of perineum including skin and prepuce of penis, scrotum, okay, scrotum, perianal skin, and anal canal inferior to pectinate line, okay. And now we are going to discuss about sacral lymph nodes, okay. You can see here this brownish color is sacral lymph node. So what are the structures draining into this sacral lymph nodes? This you can see this. What is this? Inferior rectum. This is superior rectum and this is inferior rectum, okay. So inferior rectum drains to sacral, okay, lymph nodes, and inferior vagina as well. You can see this brownish color, grayish color is here, okay. So this is draining into sacral lymph nodes, and posterior-inferior pelvic structure. So pelvic structures that are posteriorly and inferiorly located, those are also draining into sacral lymph nodes, okay. And now let's talk about pararectal lymph nodes. So you can see these pararectal lymph nodes. So these are draining. These are from this. You can see superior rectum. Okay. So superior rectum drains to pararectal lymph nodes. Okay. You can also see here superior rectum drains into para lymph nodes. Pararectal lymph nodes. Pararectal lymph nodes. Okay. This is okay. I hope you got it.